Full-body laser hair removal is a cosmetic procedure that uses a high-intensity light source to remove hair from the entire body. How does laser hair removal work? Laser hair removal targets the pigment, melanin, in the hair follicle, heating it up and destroying the follicle. Is laser hair removal safe? Laser hair removal is generally considered safe when performed by a qualified and experienced professional. However, there are risks associated with the procedure, such as skin irritation, burns, and changes in skin pigmentation. Who is a good candidate for laser hair removal? Laser hair removal works best on people with dark hair and light skin. However, advancements in technology have made it possible for people with darker skin tones to receive laser hair removal treatments as well. Does laser hair removal hurt? Laser hair removal can cause some discomfort, but most people describe the sensation as a mild stinging or snapping feeling. Your provider may apply a numbing cream or use cooling technology to minimize discomfort during the treatment. How long does a laser hair removal session take? The length of a laser hair removal session depends on the area being treated. Small areas, such as the upper lip, may only take a few minutes, while larger areas, such as the legs or back, may take up to an hour. How many laser hair removal sessions are needed? Most people require multiple laser hair removal sessions to achieve the desired results. This is because the hair follicles are in different stages of growth at any given time, and multiple treatments are necessary to target them all. What should I do to prepare for a laser hair removal session? Before your laser hair removal session, you should avoid sun exposure, waxing, and plucking for several weeks. You should also shave the treatment area the day before the session. What should I expect after a laser hair removal session? You may experience some redness and swelling in the treatment area. These side effects typically subside within a few hours to a few days. How long do the results of laser hair removal last? The results of laser hair removal are long-lasting, but not permanent. Over time, some hair may regrow, but it will be thinner and lighter in color than before the treatment. Here are some precautions for before and after treatment to make sure that you have the best results. Precautions before treatment. Avoid sun exposure. It's best to stay out of the sun or use a high SPF sunscreen to protect the skin from getting burned and prevent complications during treatment. Avoid skin irritants. Refrain from using skin products that can irritate the skin, like perfumes, lotions or deodorants. Do not bleach, wax or tweeze the hair to be treated. The root of the hair should be intact for this procedure to work, so do not pluck, wax, or bleach hair for at least 4 weeks before the procedure. Shave the area to be treated. Shave the area 24 hours before the treatment so that hair is short for optimal laser hair removal results. Precautions after treatment. Don't shower in hot water. It's best to avoid hot showers or baths in the first 24 hours after treatment to allow the skin time to heal. Don't expose treated areas to the sun. Sunbathing, tanning beds, and other sources of UV light should be completely avoided for at least 2 weeks after the treatment. Keep the treated area clean and dry. It's important to keep the treated area clean to prevent infection and avoid excessive sweating. Don't wear tight clothing over the treated area. Tight clothing will rub against the skin and cause irritation. Follow the aftercare instructions that are provided. Your laser hair removal provider will give you guidance on how to monitor the treated area so that you heal properly and experience the best results. Dark, thick and coarse hairs are best for laser. Lasers target the melanin, pigment, in the hair and destroy the hair follicle, so hair with more melanin will be more effectively targeted. This is why dark, thick hairs are the best targets for permanent hair removal. On the other hand, light-colored and fine hairs don't absorb light as well, making them less susceptible to laser hair removal. That's why it may require more treatments to remove fine or light-colored hair, compared to dark hair.